Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video that's a bit different. It's super fun, but it's not going to be makeup related. It is about skincare, and I get asked a lot of questions about my skincare routine because you guys think that my skin is perfect, and it's absolutely not. That is not the truth. My skin takes work. I work at it all the time because I do wear a lot of makeup. Here on YouTube for you guys, I'm always glammed up, and on my normal life, I'm always just putting on some makeup to get out the door and look like I had some sleep. Today I wanted to let you guys know that I have joined forces with Exuviance, which is a luxury skincare brand that I'm so happy to be working with. They brought to me the 6-week peel challenge using their performance peels. Not only to me, but I have the opportunity to extend this challenge out to you guys, and I want you to join me. The reason that I'm taking this challenge and I accepted this challenge is because I do have a lot of enlarged pores and blotchiness. While I was talking to them, they told me that this would be a great peel for me, so I decided to take them up on their challenge and see how it works. Now I'm only in my 2nd week, moving on to my 3rd week now, and it is a 6-week challenge. So far what I can tell you is that my skin is a lot smoother. And that is a big deal because when you apply your makeup, you want a smooth base. And it doesn't matter how much makeup you apply or what products you buy, it's not going to go on nicely if your skin is not a smooth canvas. With that said, I'm hoping that at the end of this challenge, my skin is going to be even more radiant, and also that my pores are going to look smaller. I also want to see that my forehead's a lot smoother. The product is super easy to use. It comes in 2 steps. Step 1, you just open up this package and it's going to have your peel product in it. It comes on a little pad and you just want to rub the pad over your face. I like to target my forehead and also my cheeks and my chin area. I do not go close to the mouth or underneath the eyes. Those parts of your face happen to be very sensitive, so you do not want to apply this product there. I usually set a timer for 10 minutes and I find something to do. I'm either with my baby, I'm on my iPad, or I'm on my phone checking my Instagram. Whatever you can do in 10 minutes, this is the time to do it. Once your alarm goes off, then you want to take step 2. Step 2 is the neutralizer pad. Super important that you follow this right after you put the peel on, because you don't want that your skin is accepting the peel product for longer than the recommended time. This whole process is going to take about 15 minutes and you're going to do it 2 times a week. So if you look down in the description box, I'm going to have a link where you can sign up for the My HAA Peel Challenge. I'm also going to provide you with a promo code that you can enter at checkout for a little something special. It's valued at $45. So I hope you guys will join me. Check back because I'm going to have progress videos showing you how the peels are working for me. It is professional level, but it is easy to use. My skin tends to be a bit on the sensitive side, and it's not having any issues with it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll join. If you do, there's a link below. You can also find all the information that they have on this product on their website. Till my next video, stay beautiful.